Millions of people go on cruises every year and have a wonderful time. In terms of value, convenience, and safety, cruise ships are pretty hard to beat. Although most cruise ship passengers will never have an accident, it doesn't hurt to know a thing or two about your legal rights at sea. Cruise ship accidents open the door to maritime law, as well as certain procedural conditions imposed by cruise lines themselves. These conditions generally appear in the fine print on the back of a ticket. My name is Tim Akpinar. I'm a maritime attorney and former shipboard officer. I represent passengers injured on cruise ships and other commercial vessels. In the event of an accident, an important issue will often be whether the cruise line was negligent. While negligence is a well-recognized legal concept, cruise lines throw in a few legal twists of their own. They impose their own statutes of limitation, which are often only 1 year. They also impose other conditions that ultimately work in their favor. In all fairness to the cruise lines, many sectors of the transportation and hospitality industries take certain legal measures to protect themselves. Overall, the cruise experience is a positive one for most people, but it's important to keep certain things in mind. We're taking a 100,000-ton ship and loading it with more than 4,000 people. This isn't a hotel at a resort, and it isn't spring break at Daytona Beach. It's a ship steaming at 20 knots on the open ocean in all types of sea conditions, day and night. There are many safeguards in place to protect passengers, from Coast Guard regulations to the SOLAS Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea. And reputable cruise lines go to great lengths to ensure the safety of their passengers. However, accidents do happen. And if someone does have an accident, the manner in which it's handled will make a big difference in terms of the compensation they receive for their pain and suffering, future lost wages, future medical expenses, and other damages. As a former shipboard officer, I know what to look for in investigating these types of accidents. I know what questions to ask, I know what records to review, and I know what physical evidence to examine. If you were injured on a cruise ship and have questions about your legal rights, call us at 718-224-9824 for a free consultation. We realize that not everyone who has an accident on a cruise ship is necessarily contemplating legal action. Sometimes people have questions about claim forms or accident reports. Sometimes people are confused about a cruise line's offer to settle a claim for 2 comp tickets for a future cruise. Sometimes people are uncertain about how an injury could impact their future, long after they've signed a release and the statute of limitations has expired. We understand this, and that's why our consultation is free and strictly confidential. And if we do accept the case, there's no legal fee unless we obtain a favorable outcome for our client.